this. Beeping that, okay? Hey guys, this is Dimple here and welcome back to my channel. Well, today's video is on Indian YouTuber tag. I don't know who started off this tag, but it's a little weird. I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, so I've been tagged by two Indian YouTuber friends and they have tagged me with 15 questions. So yes, it's weird. I don't know how I'm gonna answer it, so God knows. Well, so I don't know anything about those questions. I'm going to read it in front of the camera and I'm going to answer it to y'all. So if you want to know what are the answers of the 15 questions I have given, stay tuned and keep watching. The first question is, who tagged you and whom do you tag? Well, two of my very good friends from YouTube tagged me. One is Kajal from the channel name Nails Fashionista, and the second one is Neha and her channel name is Omni Style. So I'll leave both the links down. And whom I want to tag is, there's a list. So basically I'm using the two phones over here. So one is Tanya from Tanya Says. The second YouTuber I'm tagging is Aarti from AJ Makeup Corner. Third one, Swati from Swati Hariharan. Fourth, Ajay Wadhwa from the channel Flavors of Life. Daksh from the channel Crazy Daksh. Akhil from the channel Techsum TV. Varsha and Vignesh from the channel That's It. So these are the Indian YouTubers I am tagging. Hope nobody has done this tag yet. So yep, guys, do this Indian YouTuber tag. Questions will be down in the description box. Second question, what is the channel's name and what does it mean? My channel name is Dimple D'Souza and my channel name is actually my name. So yup. So there is no meaning to my name actually. It's just that Dimple and my surname is D'Souza. So Dimple D'Souza. Okay, the third question. What kind of videos do you make? Well, I make DIYs, I do hair tutorial, makeup, I do vlogs, I do travel vlogs, I do gadget series, and I am coming up with something very exciting next year. So that's going to be fun. So my January month of YouTubing is going to be totally different because there's a lot of things coming up in my channel. So you have to stay tuned for that. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down so you will be updated with a lot of new things which is coming up. Fourth question, what motivates you to be a YouTuber? The motivations which I get is from all the strong women out there. I get inspired. A lot of women, especially like my mom, huge celebrities also. So there's always motivations come from different people. It's just not you're motivated with one person. And yeah, so basically I'm motivated with a lot of Indian YouTubers, a lot of YouTubers who I've been watching from scratch. So my motivation is always not one person, it's like different people around me who I see. So I get motivated with that. The fifth question, how long have you been doing YouTube? It's been 4 years. So frankly speaking, when I started YouTube, I started for fun. It was just a hobby for me because I love filming, I love doing directions. So if I would have entered the film line, I would not enter as an actress, I would enter it as a director or a choreographer because I'm a very good dancer. And I never knew that YouTube will be a part of my life always. So I left YouTube in between. I was not at all in YouTube for more than 1.5 years actually. So it was a break of 1.5 years because I was only concentrating on my work. And then I don't know what happened, I came back again and I started doing YouTube little seriously when people started responding back to my videos very seriously. So I think that's because of you guys out there. So all the people who are watching me, the viewers, because of you guys, I'm actually back into YouTube. The sixth question, do your family and friends know about your YouTube life? Yes, obviously, everyone knows about my YouTube life, including my daughter. Now my daughter is just 1.5 years old and she also knows like mom is in front of the camera all the time talking some shit. And you guys are listening to that shit. So she knows about it, everyone knows about it. So my mom, dad, everyone supports me, so that's what. The seventh question, are they earning through YouTube? Obviously, there is. I would not say no because I'm earning, so yeah, there is. Okay, the eighth question, if you were given a choice between YouTube and job, what will you choose? That's actually difficult. Um, okay, I would say YouTube. Obviously, YouTube is, I don't know, it's just been everything for me now. So yeah, YouTube. Ninth question: who are your favorite YouTubers? Okay, there are plenty, but I am a big fan of Lily Singh, I Superwoman I. I'll leave her link down if you don't know her. But I think if you don't know her, then I don't know what you know about YouTube. She's inspired me a lot. So yeah, Lily Singh. And in Indian YouTuber, it would be Shruti Anand. I like her videos. The 10th question. According to your experience, what does it take to be a YouTuber? It's not easy to be a YouTuber. I actually had a tough time. There's always a stage when you grow in YouTube. Basically, when I started, I had no clue about anything. Even how to make a thumbnail, how to make your channel cover, what is description, what is annotations, nothing. So step by step I did learn. There was no help for me, frankly speaking. So today if anyone is coming down and asking me question, I don't think twice. I just go and help them because I've gone through the same stage. Viewers should be confident enough to follow you, because you tell them to buy something, or you review some product, or you tell them to do this DIY and it's going to, affect your skin and hair, and you are helping them to look beautiful. So that's a big responsibility. If your one mistake of your wrong DIY affects their skin or hair, obviously that's not a good thing. Just take a lot of researches before we go ahead and post any kind of video. I research a lot. I don't know about everyone, but I do research a lot. People ask me, why don't you be more regular, post your videos every single day? The reason is because whichever video I want to make for viewers, it should be sensible, it should be something what they learn and something which will affect them. They have any hair issue, I work on it. It's not that, ऐसे भाई remedy दे दो, तुम लोग कुछ भी कर लो, effect होगा तो होगा, नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा, मेरा viewers तो बढ़ेगा. I'm a person who, if I'm giving them some remedy, I would like to try it on myself and see how well it works, does it work or not. If it works, I go ahead and do the remedy. I go ahead and talk about it. So it does take a lot to be a YouTuber and to understand what actually people want and what people need from us. So yeah, I think that's quite long. Let me go to the next question. What do you think works? Paid content, original? This is an interesting question. I think original content or original product which actually is payable. That's a smart answer. Yes, I would work for a paid content, obviously, but the product which I am going to talk about should work. It should not be any kind of AMA product. So whenever anyone offers me something, I have done for a lot of brands, I would not disagree saying no. Before I go ahead, I do try testing on myself. So many times it's happened that I buy products and I question them and ask them, if we use this product, what will be good, what will be bad, is there any kind of side effects? I do talk about it. And I try it on myself and then I review on that product. You must be noticing in my channel I don't do a lot of review videos. The only reason why I don't review videos because I do review videos when I'm satisfied with the product. Otherwise I don't do it. The answer to this question is yes, I would do a paid content and it should be an original thing. So it has to be hand in hand, yeah? So I would not say no, I'm not going to do a paid content. No, it's not that. Next question is, which is your most successful video? Okay, it's the ginger garlic for hair growth, which is the most successful one. And yesterday only I was just checking out and I crossed 1 million views in that video. So yeah, that's an excitement, and I did share it also. I shared on Snapchat. So if you guys are not following me on Snapchat, this is my Snapchat ID. Go and follow. So you will see my live updates. मैं क्या बक करती हूँ उसमें. Next question is, what editing software and filming equipments do you use? Okay, now this is a little weird. I use Canon camera, 600D I use my iPad for filming, I use my iPhone for filming. So it's not just the camera. So मुझे मेरे हाथ में जो भी मिले मैं उसमें filming करूँगी. That's how I am. Now in fact my camera battery died, so I'm filming on my iPad. So yeah, I'm a little weird. So there's nothing particular on my equipments. मैं सब कुछ use करती हूँ film करने के लिए. When it comes to the editing software, I use Final Cut Pro, I use iMovie, I use apps also through my phones. Like my favorite app is Magisto. So अगर तुम लोगों ने Magisto use नहीं किया तो जिंदगी में तुम लोग ने कुछ चीज मिस कर दिया. I don't know my Hindi is that up to mark or not, but yes, Magisto app is really good. So if you guys want to know about more about Magisto and all, you can go ahead and download the app. It's an iPhone, iPad में you can download it and use that app. It's really good for all the Indian YouTubers. Should use that app. And yes, I use iMovie and Final Cut Pro. These two are my favorite softwares. Next question. How do you deal with hate and mean comments? That's how I deal. Well, basically starting, it used to hurt me. I used to get angry. I was like, where am I going wrong? Why are people not liking my videos? But I don't get much of hate comments. I get a lot of spamming comments, like someone who's spamming me all the time and hating me. So yes, I know that person is watching me also. I get such kind of comments like, I hate you, dog, and I hate your makeup. So it's a little weird, but I'm fine with that because now I'm kind of used to it. So basically I ignore the comments. It doesn't actually matter to me now. My mom taught me, this is your hand, okay? And your hand, you have 5 fingers. All the 5 fingers can't be the same, right? So everyone's views, thoughts, liking, disliking, subscribing, everything is different. So basic thing for me is everyone's thoughts are different. So I'm okay with the spamming comments also now because I just ignore it. Yeah, simple. That's what you can do. You can't go ahead and fight with that person or go ahead and tell them, yaar, maine kya kar diya. So I'm fine. I'm like cool with it. If you don't like me, don't follow me. Simple. There are other YouTubers, follow them. So that's my thought on that. The last question is advice to other Indian YouTubers. Well, I don't know what advice to give you all because even I am in the growing stage, so I am not at all very experienced person talking. I would only advise you all to do a good content video. More than quantity, believe on quality. So if it's a good quality, then target on the quantity. So that's what I believe. Do a video जहाँ पे हम लोगों का दिल जीत पाए. I don't want to say just gain subscribers, gain your fans. So make your own fan following, then gaining subscriptions. So that's what I believe in. People should love you for what you are, and that is actually the title of my videos. So love yourself for what you are. So just be yourself and keep rocking to all the Indian YouTubers. I know you guys will do a good job in your channels and keep growing day by day. You all will learn from your mistakes. I'm learning from my mistakes. I'm still learning from my mistakes. I'm not saying I'm perfect. So yeah, that's it I have to say. These were the amazing 15 questions being asked by 2 of my Indian YouTuber friends. Their links are down. Do check them out. And I'll be leaving the links of the other Indian YouTubers who I am tagging. Even their links are down. So do go and subscribe to their channels. And subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Do give this a big fat thumbs up and do comment below to see such kind of videos from my end. This is Dimple signing off. Bye bye guys.